Turning your engine 1A937 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Alternator here is good, no damage, no broken, very nice. Power steering pump here also good, but the oil tank here already broken, yeah, you can see. A starter, no damage, no broken, very nice. On top, everything is good, didn't see any damages. From this side, everything is good, no problem. And the turbo didn't see any damages, very nice, very good, no problem. Same as well the compressor here, very nice, no damage, no broken. And down here the oil sump, the gearbox very good, very nice, no damage. And the engine is turning good.